what is up, Blue Monkey, and today we're gonna be playing some Floppy Birds. So let's get some started. Here we go. Okay. I don't really think I'm gonna win, but you know, it's worth a try. It's worth a try. Okay, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Yes, 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 yes. No. Okay. Okay. Just keep going. Just keep going. Okay. Okay. Just keep going. Oh my god, I'm about to break this phone. I want to break this phone in half. Okay. Keep going. Keep. Oh my god. Oh my god. If you guys. Oh my god. You should see my face right now. Like, literally, I'm about to break this phone. About to start crying. No. Oh my god. I really want to end the video right here so I can freaking break my phone. I won't break my phone, guys, because it's the only phone I have, but I will not break it. I just really want to, because this dumb game. I'm about to delete this game. Oh my god. Holy shoot. Okay. Oh my god. I'm about to break this phone. 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 Oh my god. Literally about to break this phone right now. I'm literally about to break this phone right now. I'm literally about to break this phone right now. Okay, I'm gonna name this. I'm gonna name this Floppy Bird plus Rage, because this is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right. I think I'm gonna end the video here after I die. All right, guys. See ya. Thanks for watching.